Yes po. Okay, yes.
Ano sinisignify nitong
Bali,
sombrero?
skimmer hat is the hat siya nung first na nagbukas si Shakey's. Yung skimmer hat. Parang signature ito, ma'am, signature hat ng Shakey's. The tagline is, Shakey's at 50, the fun goes on and on and on.
Welcome back to my channel, Meldy Baldovino Vlogs here. And nagutom na naman si Nanay Vlogger. So, my favorite kusina if I want pizza is Shakey's dahil kapitbahay ko lang ito. Tara guys, samahan niyo ako kung anong i-order ko at ano yung sobrang mabilis ko lang kainin today. I'm in Shakey's right now. Yes, I'm in Shakey's Makati Square right now. Go-order lang guys. This is the 24-hour store here in Makati. Kapit lang sa tinitirahan ko. This is the tag 50 years ago and sobrang ganda. Thank you. This is Melody Baldovino Vlogs. This is Shakey's Makati Square. So this is Shakey's Makati Square and malapit lang to sa condo ko. This is Chino Roses. So ayan guys, I'm inside Shakey's already and preparing to order. Usually pag nagugutom ako and nag-crave ako ng pizza, ito yung kapitbahay ko kasi, Shakey's. So here I am at Shakey's Makati Square. Jaran! So I want calamari crunch. I want wings and rings, and of course chicken in mojos, and of course extra mojos in beef. And for the pizza, I want. Yeah, how much?
Bali 1,429.0.
Ang mahal. So my bill is 1,514. Ayan. Bayaran na guys. So I ordered the buy one take one pizza. Not yet. That one. The Shakey's special and the truffle 4 cheese. And there is an extra Coke daw. Ito, libre. And of course, the chicken. Turan. And I have a super card. Okay, so babalikan ko lang yung order ko, guys. Thank you. So I am waiting for my order. Which I ordered 2 pizza, chicken, and mojos, and of course, salad. While waiting for my order, lakad-lakad lang ako dito, guys. So, I'm Shakey's already. Ayan. So, this is the Shakey's here in Makati Square. As of now, wala nang tao kasi it's lunch. Done na ang lunch time. Thank you. Of course, ito yung kinalakihan kong pizza. Square cut, please. Yan, while waiting for my order, nagkamali sila, hindi na square cut.
Yes po. Okay na sir.
So, ito na guys yung order ko. Thank you. This is, yan, dalawang pizza, isang Shakey's chicken, and ayan, may salad. Thank you. Sir Limwell, good afternoon.
Hi, ma'am. Good afternoon.
You know what? Shakey's is my kusina kasi I'm senior and ito lang yata yung pizza nung araw ng kapanahonan ko.
Okay.
So this is the Shakey's Makati Cinema Square and you are the
I'm the restaurant manager po of Shakey's Makati Cinema Square. I'm Lemuel Tupas po.
Okay. Kanina kasi pinapansin ko yung magandang hat nyo. Anong sinisignify nitong
Bali,
sombrero?
ma'am, skimmer hat is hat siya nung first na nagbukas si Shakey's. Yung skimmer hat. Parang signature ito, ma'am. Signature hat ng Shakey's.
Yeah, it's nice.
So, the skimmer hat. We are celebrating now the 50th anniversary of Shakey's, ma'am. So,
All over the
All over the Philippines, ma'am.
Okay.
Shakey's at 50, so the tagline is Shakey's at 50, the fun goes on and on and on.
And the Shakey's Makati Square is one of the 24-hour store, right?
Yes po.
Okay, kasi thank you
Thank you,
so
ma'am.
much for accommodating and ako nakakahiyaman pero salamat sa pagpalit ng order.
Ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the 50 years ago and sobrang ganda. Thank you. This is Melody Balotino Glass. This is Shakey's Makati Square. So guys, nakuha ko na yung order ko. Maraming salamat for supporting my channel. Again, this is Melody Balotino Glass. Bye guys!